Be 2 weeks ready. Your emergency plan, Activity 9. Follow along on Toolkit, page 56.
Activity 9. Practice protective actions. Goal: learn and practice different ways to protect yourself and your loved ones. Evacuation. A simple and fun way to practice evacuating your place quickly is a twist on the game hide and seek. Start with each household member in a different room or location in your home, away from all the others. Then on a cue, whistle, music starts, etc., everyone evacuates outside the home using one of the exit routes previously identified. Then meet everyone at your agreed-upon meeting location. This could be a tree, a mailbox, trusted neighbor's porch, etc. While this should be done quickly, it shouldn't be structured as a race. You want to avoid someone getting hurt, particularly if they are climbing out a window. This game could be repeated so everyone can hide in different rooms and practice using different escape routes. Even some pets, especially dogs, love playing hide and seek. Drop, cover, and hold. Drop, cover, and hold on. In an earthquake, seconds matter. If you get an earthquake alert on your phone or feel shaking, you need to immediately drop, cover, and hold on. Step 1. Drop. Drop where you are onto your hands and knees. This position protects you from being knocked down and allows you to stay low and crawl to shelter if it's nearby. Two, cover. Cover your head and neck with both arms and hands. If a sturdy table or desk is nearby, crawl underneath it for shelter. If no shelter is nearby, crawl next to an interior wall, away from windows, hanging objects, and tall furniture. Step 3. Hold on. Hold on to your shelter until the shaking stops. Be prepared to move with your shelter if it shifts. A great way to practice drop, cover, and hold on is to participate in the Great Shakeout earthquake drill held the third Thursday of every October. Adapt to your situation. If you can't take cover under a desk or table when you get an alert, you may have to adapt to your situation and environment. This can be especially important to people with access and functional needs. People with disabilities who use a wheelchair or have other mobility impairments and can't drop, cover, and hold on should protect their head and neck with a pillow or their arms and bend over to protect themselves, if they are able. Follow the guidance provided in the infographic shown here. For more information, visit www.shakealert.org. Additional resources for developing an emergency plan. Visit www.oregon.gov/OEM/B2 weeks ready for more resources. You can also order printed copies of FEMA publications by calling the FEMA distribution facility at 1-800-480-2520. Some may be available to download from the FEMA website at www.ready.gov/publications.